Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Zara discount code. To begin, open the Zara app on your phone. Give it a moment to load, and if prompted, sign in so your bag, addresses, and preferences are ready to use. It's a good idea to make sure the app is up to date. Newer versions often make checkout smoother and display promotion fields more clearly. Next, browse the catalog and add the items you want to your bag. For this walkthrough, we'll use a sample order just to demonstrate the flow, but you can select any products you like. When you're ready, go to your bag and start the checkout process. The app will guide you step by step. Continue following the on-screen prompts until you reach the address section. Here, you'll confirm your delivery method and enter your shipping details. Take a moment to double-check your address so deliveries arrive without delays. Ensure the postcode and apartment or unit numbers are correct, and review any delivery notes if those are available in your region. Accurate information here prevents issues later and helps the app calculate shipping options properly. When everything in the address section looks good, tap Save. This will confirm your details and move you to the payment page where you can enter your discount code. On the payment screen, look for a field labeled Promo Code, Discount Code, or Coupon. Tap that field, carefully type your code, and select Apply. If you copied the code from a message or a promotion, paste it to avoid typos and remove any extra spaces before or after the code. Wait for the order summary to refresh. You should see the discount reflected in your subtotal or a line item that shows the promotion has been applied. If the discount doesn't appear, verify the code's terms. Many codes have expiration dates, minimum spend requirements, product or category exclusions, and may only work in certain countries or regions. Some promotions can't be combined with other offers or with sale items. If the app shows an error, check for case sensitivity, try re-entering the code, and confirm you're shopping in the correct regional store for your location. Also keep in mind that shipping thresholds and taxes are usually calculated after discounts, so your final total may change once the code is applied. If you're using store credit or a gift card alongside a promo, apply the discount first so the summary updates accurately. Once your discount appears and your payment details are set, you're all set. That's the process. Open the app, set up your sample order, proceed to the address section, save it, and then apply your coupon on the payment page. Enjoy your savings.